Okay, hello guys, good morning. So welcome once more to my channel. Let's solve this problem on the board. It's a mathematics challenge. Okay guys, the question is read. In the diagram, P, Q, R and S are points on the circle with center O and reflex angle POR equal to 220 degrees. Find the angle marked X. The diagram is not drawn to scale, and the options are A 110 degrees, B 140 degrees, C 40 degrees, D 70 degrees. Okay guys, let's go. We are going to start somewhere we have always started, starting from the solution to the problem. All right. Solution. Okay. Looking at this diagram, here we have PQRS. This is a quadrilateral. That is a cyclic quadrilateral. Is that understood? So now, there are certain rules that govern cyclic quadrilateral. One is that you have to know the opposite, the rule governing the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. If you look at this place now, this point going, this place, this Q, and this S here, this X, they are opposite angles of what? Of cyclic quad. So if you look at this center now, this is the center of this circle, which we have 220 degrees. Okay. Now, two things are involved here. The angle at the center of a circle, the angle at the center, this angle now at the center is 2 times the angle at the circumference, this angle X here. It is 2 times. These are rules. I said the angle at the center here, which is this 220 degrees, is 2 times the angle at the circumference, which is this X. That's rule. What do I mean? That 2 times X, which is 2 times X, the angle at the circumference. This is the circumference of the circle, okay? The angle at the circumference here, this angle at the circumference is half of this angle at the center, which means the angle at the center is 2 times the angle at the circumference, okay? Which means 2x is equal to 220 degrees. You see guys? So that is it. That means angle PSR, angle PSR equal to X is equal to, that is 2 times angle, PSR is equal to angle POR. Simple, which is this 220 degrees. So now, this 220 degrees, that is making X the subject of the formula. X is equal to 220 divided by 2, and this will give us 2 against 2 is 1, 2 against 2 1, 2 against 0 0, which is 110 degrees. Okay, or if you don't want to do it like this, you can still do it this way. Now look up guys, you can still do it this way. Now that if you come here, you see that if you come to this place now, you see that this angle here can actually come down to this place. Like, to get this inside of this place now, to get inside of this place now, if you are to get inside of this place, it has completed this circle here, which is 360 degrees, and to get it you have 300. That means angle P O R is equal to 360 minus 220 degrees, and this will give us, now 0 minus 0 is 0, then 6 minus 2 is 4, then 3 minus 2 is 1, which is 140 degrees. Okay, now 140 degrees. Okay, so now since we have here to be 140 degrees, remember that I said that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, which means here now, that is angle PQR, angle PQR, which means angle P, this implies that angle PQR is equal to half of this angle at the center, half of the angle at the center, which is 140 degrees, because the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So now, which is equal to half the angle at the center, which is half times 140 degrees, and this will give us 2 divide 140, 2 divide 14 will give 7, 2 divide 0, 0, which is 70 degrees. Nice one. Now, since you have angle PQR to be 70 degrees, remember the first rule I gave. I said that in considering the angles in cyclic chord, that the opposite angles, the sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic chord equal to 180 degrees. These are the opposite angles of the cyclic chord. This place, this angle PQR, this place, and angle PSR, this place, which is X. They are opposite, facing each other like this now. They are opposite angles of what? Cyclic chord. They are facing each other. You see how they are facing each other. So now their sum means their addition or plus. So their sum will give us 180 degrees. So that we will have that P Q, that is angle PQR equal plus angle PSR, which is X, is equal to what? 180 degrees. Reason. Sum of opposite angles of cyclic chord or quadrilateral equal to 180 degrees. And to have this, we'll have PQR is already 70 degrees here, which is 70 plus, now PSR equal to X plus X is equal to 180 degrees. So making X the subject of the formula, so if you make X the subject of the formula, you are going to have X is equal to 180 minus 70. 180 minus 70. And 180 minus 70 is equal to, 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degrees. Therefore, X equal to 110 degrees. And this becomes your answer. You see, option A is the correct answer. So you see guys, I've solved this problem using two different methods and I still got the same answer. So like and share. Thank you.